lives.
I can't get 2608.
That's so big.
The goggles ain't gonna record, but oh well.
Man. You can hear the power.
If he's out here by herself, I might reach it up a little bit.
Right.
They're still here on the gravel.
Yeah.
Yeah, get it.
That was 70 on the climb.
Yeah, I'm sold on these 8-inch propellers. I like the sound. Are these APCs?
Yep.
Are they gals?
I think he said yes.
Sitting here over the sound of set
Yeah.
propellers.
See, I don't even know if I'm getting any of this.
You know, I definitely, on the first battery, got him coming up off the ground, and then I caught him arcing over us, and then once he got out onto the field, I kind of figured that I wasn't going to get anything useful.
Yeah.
Once he's more than 100 feet away, like, you're not going to get but a speck.
I can get the sound.
Yeah. Definitely has a cool sound. Those props feel so crude in your hand compared to the littler stuff that they're making for 3-inch and 5-inch and 4-inch stuff now.
Right.
A little arm carnage. I hope that I hope you've still got 2 viable screw holes in the bottom of your motor. That's my only real concern.
No, I replaced the motor.
You think so?
Yeah. That much damage? Yep.
Poor old girl. She was fast and loud and awesome.
You did good.